Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube channels and make money without showing your face with AI, with the help of AI tools. So first let me show you some channels that are using the same method that I am going to show you. So first channel that we'll talk about is this called Bestie. They have over 4 million subscribers. As you can see, they are using the same method. They are not showing their face, they are just using the stock footages and stock videos. As you can see, these are all stock videos they are using, and they are giving just a voiceover with the help of AI tools, or they must be hiring someone for voiceovers. As you can see, this channel is making somewhere around 61 to $980 per day. As you can see, they are getting hundreds of thousands of views every day, and they are making somewhere around this money. As you can see, 265 to 4.2k dollars per day. As you can see, they must be making on the higher end because their channel is in health niche. As you can see, now the second channel that I'm going to show you is this called Chacha Rap. They are also using the same strategy. As you can see, they are using just stock footages, stock videos, and giving voiceovers to those videos, and they are making somewhere around 140 to 2.2k dollars per month, as you can see, according to Social Blade stats. The third channel that I'm going to talk about is called Clever You. They have over 1.6 million subscribers. They are also using the same strategy. As you can see, they are just using the stock footages, stock videos, and giving voiceovers. They must be hiring someone for voiceovers, or they must be using an AI tool that I will show you later on. This channel is making somewhere around as you can see, 445 to 7.1k dollars per month. You can use this technique to create multiple YouTube channels and run them simultaneously, or you can hire someone to use those AI generated to create those AI generated videos for you. So these were some examples. Now I will show you how you can create these videos using just AI tools. So before I already shown you examples of the videos. So first tool that we will need is this tool called Rytr. As you can see, this tool we'll use to create some headings for our video and the script of our video. So to sign up for this tool, this is a completely free tool. It has a completely free plan. They have different price plans. You can check out the price plans. You can if you want to sign up, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free for its free plan. To start, you can click on this button, then you will go come to this interface. You will get this interface. Now to create a new project, you're going to click on this new document, and you can name your document whatever you want. So I will give it as YouTube, then I will click create. Now from here you can select any language. So I will leave it as it is to US English, United States English, and from here you can select any tone. So I will select convincing tone for this, and from here you're going to select this blog ideas and outline option because we need some outline and ideas for our video. Now from here you can type any keyword you want. If you don't know what keyword you have to create the video about, so you can go to the similar channels as I shown you, and you can sort the most popular videos on those channels, and you can take their keywords to create videos. Let me show you. For example, again I will go to that channel called Bestie, and any keyword I can take from here. For example, 7 hidden benefits of drinking coconut milk every day, or you can take any of the keywords from here. You can sort the videos by most popular, and you can take any of the keywords, because if these videos are working for them, it will work for you as well. So now I will type my keyword here. So my keyword for now is how to lose weight without exercise or diet. So this is my keyword. Now I want to generate blog post ideas for this and outline for this for my video. And now from here you can select a number of variants if you want. I will leave it as it is to one variant, and you can set the creativity level, so I will keep it to high. Then I will click on this write for me, so it will generate outline for me, so that on those points I can talk about in my videos. So as you can see, it has given me a headline, as you can see, the complete guide to losing weight without exercise or dieting. Then these are some points they have given to me. For example, this introduction, what are the benefits of cutting out exercise and dieting for weight loss. Then these are some points that I can talk about. See, it has given me 3 points. If you want more points, you can select more than one variance from here. You will get more points to talk about. Now I want to talk about these introduction and these points in detail. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I will go to block section writing, and then I will select one by these keywords one by one. For example, this introduction, and I will select this, copy, and I will paste it here. So because I want to write a section about this heading in this introduction. Then from here I have to enter some keywords related to my topic. So I will enter diet and exercise or weight loss. These are the some keywords that I will enter here, and you can select a number of variants here, and you can change anything here, for example language or a tone. Then I will ask it to write a block section for me, so it will start writing for me. So as you can see, for that introduction, this was the introduction. It has written me these two paragraphs, as you can see. So this will be our introduction, so you can talk about the introduction in your video. Then you can select one by one these points, and you can ask the tool to write the block section for you. Then you will get a complete script for your video. Then what you have to do, you will have to take this script, and then you go to the second tool that we need, is called this is called Pictory. This will be the second tool that we will be using to create our video. Now I already have an account, so I will log in from here, and if you want to sign up for this, again you will find the link in the description for this as well. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and you have 4 different options to create your video. First is script to video, that we are going to do right now. We are converting a script into video. You have different options, as you can see. Article to video, you can paste the URL of any article and it will create an AI generated video for you, or you can edit videos using text and visual to studio. So we will click on this option, script to video, because we have a script and we want to create a video out of that script. Now what I'll do, I'll copy this script. I have not generated the whole script of the video because I don't want to waste your time. So I'm just showing you the example. Here I will type the title of my video, that was how to lose weight without diet or exercise. Now here I will paste the script, and what I'll do, I will break this sentence into different sentences, so it will be easier. And I will show you why I'm doing this. So I will break this into different lines. I will break it from here as well, then from here as well. Now I will click on proceed. Then it will ask you to select any template out of this, so I will select this template, and from here you can select any aspect ratio. Since we are creating this video for YouTube, so I will select this 16:9, then continue. Then it will start to work for you and create a video out of that script for you. So as you can see, it has created a video for you. The timing of that video is 1 minute and 5 seconds something, because we have not selected the whole script, as you know. Now this was our first line. As you can see, this was the introduction of the video. What are the benefits of cutting out exercise and dieting for weight loss? It automatically has selected a video for you. And then this is the second scene. As you can see, for many of us, trying to lose weight can be a daunting task. Don't worry about this watermark that you are seeing right here. This will be removed once you upload once you generate your video and export your video, it will be removed from your video. Then this is the third scene. As you can see, the video is added according to the text. It will add a video for you in every scene, and if you want to change any of the video, for example in this scene 1 I don't want this video, I want to change this, so I will go here to visuals after selecting this scene, and from here you can select any of the videos. As you can see, for example, I need this video for as the background of this scene, so this will be selected, as you can see, and you can change the duration of these videos as well. So the scene duration is 6 seconds only, so it will be added for 6 seconds. You can change the duration as well. If you want to add elements, you can go here and add different elements to your videos. For example, these stickers if you want to add, or gifs you want to add, or emojis you want to add, you can select these gifs and emojis from here. And if you want to add any audio file, you can do it from here, but I will not recommend adding these audios to your video, because I will always recommend a voiceover or any other AI tool to generate the voiceover for you. That I'll show you in a minute. So once your video is created, you can preview it, and from here you can add voiceovers. So you have three different options for the voiceovers for this video. First is you can add your own voiceover. You can record and upload to Pictory. It will add your voiceover to the video file. The second option is you can go to Fiverr and hire someone for $5 or $10, as you can see, for the voiceover for your YouTube video, but this is way more expensive. For each video we don't want to spend this much money. So third option that we will use for voiceovers is we'll use a tool called Murf.AI. as you can see, again I have given the link in the description to sign up. You can go and sign up for the free plan. So once you have signed up, go to this button, open studio. Now to create a new project, you're going to click on this create new project, and you can give a name to your project from here. So for now I will give it as YouTube, and from here you can select any of the options. I will select start blank and create project. So now you can paste your script here, whatever script you have created. So this was our script, as you can see. So I will copy this script and paste it in our Murf account. Now it will ask you to split the script by paragraph or by sentences. So I will split this by sentences, so it will automatically split that script into sentences, as you can see. Now you have different options to choose from for your AI voiceover. So from here you can explore all the voices. You can play and select any of these. For example, if I want to play,
it only takes one voice at the right pitch to start an avalanche.
So it will show you how the voice will look like, sound like. So I will select this one for now, and you can click on this play button, so it will show you how it will be sounding.
Counting calories, tracking macros, and exercising every day can be exhausting and frustrating.
So as you can see, it is sounding like human, not like AI generated or any text to speech software. It is sounding like a real human. So you can use this voiceover. Then from here you can export this voiceover and upload to your Pictory account. From here, as you can see, upload voiceover option is given, and then later on you can generate the video and export the video and upload to your YouTube channel. Now if you want to create a catchy thumbnail, and if you don't want to know how to create the thumbnail, so let me know in the comment box, that I will create a tutorial video for creating a catchy thumbnail for your YouTube video. Now if you want to make more money than those channels that I have shown you are making, they are just making the money with the YouTube ad revenue. If you want to make more money with affiliate marketing, you can go to a website like ClickBank. You can create your account and go to marketplace. Then from here you can go to any niche according to your YouTube channel niche. So I will go to health and fitness because our channel was related to that, and from here you can select any of the products to promote. As you can see, this product, on this product you will get a commission around $139. So to promote this, you can click on this promote button and you can click on this create hop link. So it will give you a unique affiliate link. You can copy this and paste in the description of your YouTube video. So whenever someone will click on that link and buy this product, you will get a commission out of that. So you can make much more money out of affiliate marketing instead of just ad revenue. So that's all from this video. If you want to sign up for any of the tools that I have shown you, you can go to the first links in the description. You will find the links in the description and sign up for their plans. And if you got any value out of this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.